Hello my students, how are you today? I want to say to you that I miss you so much and I hope to see you soon. Today we're going to discuss together the main vocabulary in Unit 1. But before we start, let me show you a picture here, and I'll ask you some question about this picture. Here, as you see, there are two mountains, okay? I need to imagine yourself that you are at the top of one of these mountains, and you want to cross to the other top. Is it easy for you to do that? The answer is no, it's very difficult. But it will be easy if we make a link between these two mountains. It will be easy. So how can we make a link here? We can build something which called a bridge. A bridge? Yes. What do we mean by a bridge? A bridge is a structure has been built over a river or a road that allows both people and the cars to move from one side to the other. So again, the definition of bridge is a structure has been built, like as you see here, it's a structure that has been built over a river. You can build it over a river or a road, and that allows people and cars to move from one side to the other. After that, I need you to imagine again that you are here on this road and you find a big obstacle, you find a big problem, a big stone or a big mountain on your route. Is it easy for you to move to the other side or to cross this road? No, it's difficult. It will be easy in one condition: to dig a hole inside this mountain. So to dig a hole, there is something which we call it a tunnel. So what do we mean by a tunnel? A tunnel is a passage or corridor that has been dug underground or through. So we said before bridge over, but here a tunnel under or through, a mountain or hill for cars and trains to go through. Again, tunnel means what? A passage that has been dug underground or through a mountain or hill for cars and trains to go through. So here there is a question: why do we build bridges and tunnels? So we build bridges and tunnels to overcome big problems or to overcome obstacles. We build them because they help us to get from a place to another, and people use bridges and tunnels to transport things, and bridges and tunnels allow us to explore new places. Now let's start with the main vocabulary in this unit. The first word with us today is isolated. What do we mean by isolated? Look at this house. What do we mean by isolated? Look at it. Okay, isolated means far away from other places. Far away from other places, it's called isolated. After that, valley. Look at this picture and try to guess the meaning. Valley means what? Yeah, it's an area of land between two lines of hills or mountains, usually with a river running through it. After that, we have base. Base means what? It's the lowest or the bottom part of something. The lowest or the bottom part of something. The bottom part or the lowest point. Okay? It's called base. Rushing. Rushing here is an adjective which means to move very quickly. To move very quickly, it's called rushing. Rushing, like here as you see. To move very quickly, it's called what? Rushing, yes. After that, bisect. Bisect means what? To divide something. To divide something into two equal parts. To divide something into two equal parts. It's called bisect. After that, herd. Herd means what? It's a group of animals, as you see here, of one kind that live and eat together. Again, a group of animals of one kind that live and eat together. It's called herd. After that, soil. Soil means what? It's the top layer of the earth in which the plant grows. Like as you see here, it's the top layer of the earth which the plant grows. After that, we have an adjective here. It's precious. Precious means something that's valuable and very important. Something that's valuable and very important, it's called precious. Okay? After that, fear. Yeah, fear as a verb means to be afraid of something. To be afraid of something. Like as you see here, fear means what? To be afraid of something. Fade away. Yeah, fade away means what? Gradually disappear. Gradually disappear. It's called fade away. After that, we have hazardous. Hazardous means dangerous to people's health and safety. Again, dangerous to people's health and safety. It's called hazards. Earthworm. Earthworm is a long, thin creature, like as you see, that has no bones or legs and live in soil. Again, it's a long, thin creature that has no bones or legs and live in soil. Wriggle. Wriggle is a verb which means to turn your body from side to side. Again, to turn your body from side to side. It's, repeat after me, it's wriggle, yeah. Skeptical. Skeptical is an adjective which means tending to disagree with what other people tell you. You are disagree with what other people tell you. It's skeptical. Insist. Insist as a verb means to say strongly that something is true. To say strongly that something is true. It's called insist. Admire. Admire means to like someone because they have done something that you think is good. Again, to like someone because they have done something that you think is good. It's admire. Note. Note means to move your head up and down quickly in order to show agreement. Again, to move your head up and down quickly in order to show agreement. It's note. Gather. Gather means to come together to form a group. To come together to form a group. Dig. Dig is a verb which means to make a hole in something. To make a hole in something. So it's a verb which means to dig a hole in something. After that, labor. Labor here as a verb means to work very hard, especially physical work. To work very hard, especially physical work. It's labor. Strand. A strand is a bank or a shore of a river. A bank or a shore of a river. It's called a strand. After that, arch. Arch is a structure with curved top. A structure with curved top, it's called arch. Sapphire. Sapphire means a bright blue precious stone. A bright blue precious stone. It's called sapphire. After that, we have panther. Panther means what? It's a kind of leopard, especially a black one. So a black leopard, it's called panther. A black leopard. And the last word with us today, it's exquisite. Exquisite as an adjective which means perfect, wonderful, or amazing. Again, exquisite means perfect, wonderful, and amazing. Thank you so much. That's all about the main vocabulary in this unit. I hope to see you next time. See you soon. Bye.